Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the father of sociology, Auguste Comte, biography, his major works, and his notable books. This video is according to the syllabus of CSS Sociology Optional, and this video is also helpful for PMS exam and PPSC exams related to the post of sociology. If you are new on our channel, then it is requested to you that please subscribe our channel and press bell icon button so that the notification of our new videos you could easily get. Let's start. Auguste Comte was a French philosopher and the father of sociology. He was born on 19th of January 1798 and he was died on 5th of September 1857. He got his education in Montpellier and École Polytechnique. He was the disciple of Saint Simon, who was another notable sociologist. Let's see the work of Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte in 1839 used the term social physics, and he divided this social physics into two main branches. One is social statics and the other is called social dynamics. Social statics is the study of social structure of social institution, and social dynamics is the study of social change and social movement. According to Auguste Comte, sociology is a positive social science, and positivism refers to invariant laws of the natural social order. Invariant means constant that can't be changed. And he also said that sociology is based on observation, experiment, and comparison. And he divided the sciences into two categories. One is theoretical science and the other is applied science. According to Auguste Comte, theoretical sciences are based on principles, concepts, facts that we get through education and books. And theoretical knowledge also transmitted through generation. While applied sciences are practical in shape, these sciences convert theoretical knowledge into practical form, and technology is the example of these applied sciences. For example, by technology, human societies progressed and developed. Technology and industry revolutionized human societies, and human progress is due to the application of scientific knowledge. So we can say that Auguste Comte divided sciences into two categories. One is called as theoretical science and the other is applied science. So according to Auguste Comte, sociology is a positive social science, and to understand the concept of this positive science, we will discuss the law of three stages. Let's start now. According to the theory of law of three stages, every scientific knowledge, social group, societies, and individual passes through these three stages. One is called theological stage, second stage is called metaphysical stage, and the third stage is called positivistic stage. The first stage, which is theological stage, deals with religious and supernatural explanation of the science and social phenomena. This explanation was found in the old age prior to 1300 years ago, and these religious and supernatural explanation of social phenomena were accepted by the people without any question. So we can say that this stage, the theological stage, was based on sentimental and emotional feelings, and this is divided into three parts. First is called fetishism, other is known as polytheism, and the third is monotheism. So in simple words, we can say that according to the law of three stages, sciences, knowledge, social groups, societies, and even individuals go through these three stages. First is known as theological stage, that is 1300 years back, and this was based on supernatural feelings and the supernatural explanation of any social human behavior or phenomena, and this is based on sentimental and emotional feelings, and this was divided into three further phases. The second stage of law of three stages is metaphysical stage, that is 1300 years to 1800 years ago. This is also known abstract stage or transitional stage. This is based on philosophical explanation of the fundamental nature of reality or the nature of things. This stage is based on the knowledge gained from the books, which is mostly philosophical in nature. In this stage, we explain the observed facts and bring them into writing only. The etymological meanings of metaphysical stage are: meta means beyond and physical means nature, means beyond the nature. The third stage, which is practical in nature, is actually a scientific called positive stage. It is related to the experimentation, observation, deduction, induction, measurements. This stage is the result of modern scientific research, and the scientific method is applied to this process. So in simple words, we can say that positivism is an approach to study the society that uses scientific evidences, experiment, statistics, and qualitative result. So we can say that positivism is more advanced and scientifically verified stage, and this is capable of logical mathematical proof, and it strongly reject the theism and metaphysics. So in simple words, we can say that positivism stage reject the theological stage and metaphysical stage. Now we will discuss another important concept of Auguste Comte, that is altruism. Altruism refers to the principle or moral practice concerned for happiness of other human beings, resulting in the quality of life, material or spiritual. So we can say by altruism we can make this world more peaceful and prosperous. And so at the last of this video we will discuss the books written by Auguste Comte. The first book, that is Positive Philosophy, that was written in 1830 to 1842, and the second important book is Positive Polity, that was written in 1855 to 1854, and the third book is the Prospectus of Scientific Works required for reorganization of society, that was written by Auguste Comte and Saint-Simon jointly. If you have any question regarding this topic or video, you can comment on our video. We will reply to you. Thank you.